Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Matt Malone here, and today we're going to be showing you how they put an STI lip on a 05 to 06 RSX. Now this lip has been seen on many Hondas, many other cars. On this particular car, since you know the front of the car is kind of like pointy and then the lip is kind of like flat, I'm going to show you guys how to properly install it. The reason for this video is when you install the lip is so it won't look like this, like the nose won't be over the lip and it'll just like come around with the shape of the bumper. Now you do sell a lip for this particular car, which is like really similar, but the thing about that lip is it goes up on the bumper and I just don't like that. I just want it to be at the very bottom of the bumper, and so everything else could be showing. What you're gonna need, you're gonna need the lip. You don't have to take the bumper off, it's just a lot easier. You'll see what I'm talking about. Honestly, yeah, just take the bumper off. Then you're gonna need a drill, some screws. It comes with screws. I'll put the link in the description below of the lip. It comes with these little screws right here. I think I'm gonna use these. I just got these beforehand. If you go with these screws, make sure there's like no gap right at the end of it, so it'll hold like it's supposed to. And then you're gonna need a tape measure, a marker, or some masking tape just to like see where the center of the lip is, and something to cut the excess plastic. I got this thing, I don't know what it's called, but it goes like this. Now this lip is like the flattest STI lip you can get. There is another one that people do, but it just has a weird shape to it, like it has fangs on it, and some of them have like I don't know, something sticking up on the edge, and I just don't like that look. I like a clean look. I don't want my car to look like a Wannabe Aventador. I don't know, it's just too much for me. Like I just like a simple look. But let's go ahead and get started. We're gonna start off by measuring let's say like from this corner to right here, just to see where the center of the lip is, because this hole right here is not the center, and I found out that the hard way, so we're gonna measure that right now. Oh, so that is the center. My last lip wasn't at the center, so it was kind of off, so I had to make a new hole. Right guys, so the next step is try to figure out how far you want it out, and then put the center screw lined up with the nose of the bumper. That's the first one you want to do. It might not look like it'll fit with the way you want it, but this is where the tricky part comes. Right here, what you want to do is you want to line up the lip so it'll like sit flush on one side. Don't worry about the other side there. I know it looks like hell, but trust me on this. Put a screw down to where you like it. I'm gonna put my screw somewhere right there under my thumb. All right, so I put my screw in. I put another one right here, and you're gonna start to see on the front where you want it to sit. So now we're gonna move on to the other side. A little bit of a recap. Do the center one right there in the middle. Move on to one side. Line it up to how you want it to sit. Put two screws. Now you're gonna move on to the other side. And the other side is gonna look like this, but what we're gonna do here is we're gonna bend it down so it'll fit where you want it to go. And that'll make the lip, the front of it, sit out as far as it can. Let's just go ahead and finish this side and I'll show you how it looks. All right, so after about 30 minutes of fighting with this thing, I'm gonna show you how to really do this side. You're gonna look right here on this little flare right here. You're gonna see how far that is, and then you're gonna look at this side, and then you're gonna stick a screw right here so it'll be the same as the other, and then you're gonna walk over here, see how much that gap is right there, or how much it sticks out, and then you're gonna match that with the other side. Mine is a little closer right here. Oh, it's good. It's good. And yeah, that's how you do it. And then you're just gonna tighten everything else back up so it won't fall. Don't just trust like 4 or 5 screws. I would do as much as you can. And we're gonna do that right now. All right guys, so we put hella screws all around because I would see some gaps like right in between here. I didn't like it, so we put as many screws as we could. So if the lip tries to come off, the bumper's coming off with it. Now all we gotta do is cut off the excess. Whoops. cut off the exits right here and try to make a good shape. Like if you have like a cutting tool like me, I would like cut right here, like straight and just inwards, like round shape. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys in a minute. Right, so we got some clean cuts. Not really, but good enough. I like to leave mine with a little bit of room right here, a little bit of excess, just so like it'll look, I don't know, I just like the way that looks instead of just like going down it flat. Now we're gonna continue tomorrow because it's dark out, and I'll show you the finished product. Right guys, so it's the next day. I came home from work, parked like an asshole. My mom still managed to park next to me, but this is how the lip looks. Let me adjust the car so you can see the lip a little better. All right, much better. So this is how the lip sits as of right now. You can see that the middle of it, as it goes up, it fits perfectly into the RSX bumper. You can see that the bumper, it's not covering the lip, not too much, but compared to how like other people do it, I think this is the perfect way to do it. Look at that perfection. I don't know, that just looks more race car to me. And the car just needs some low now. I'm over here, monster trucking. Oh man, I could stick my whole hand in there. You guys can barely finger your car. I'm over here fisting the hell out of it. But this is how the side looks. My hand's dirty now. This is how the side looks. I like how it goes just around it and not just chopped off. You guys may like it, I like it like this. Just makes it like flow better, I guess. I don't know, but that's my opinion on it. You guys can do whatever you want with yours. But yeah guys, that's how she sits. Car's looking good lately. Got the hood, gotta finish the hood. I need to get these vents on. Gotta get some wrap for it. Gonna get some suspension going on for this car, as well as the drift car over there. If you're new to the channel, that's my G35 drift car. And this is my Conjure expired RSX. So hey guys, I hope this video helped on the install. Keep in mind, you can also get a Mugen lip or an A-spec and also put this lip on. So hey guys, that's it for this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.